Hi everyone, I'm here at my office. This is my office. It's my garden. So I started planting a week ago. Any kind of buckets like ice cream buckets, sacks, even a dishwashing container or coffee container, milk containers. So those I use it. So these are the upo that I planted a week ago, so it started to grow now. These seeds, I bought this in the Philippines when I went to the Philippines last summer. So I brought some seeds there, I planted it and I had success with the upo, growing upo. And the upo seeds, I collected it. These are the upo seeds I collected last year from my harvest. So I planted them last week. So they are growing now. See? So I checked if some are not growing or maybe still hiding. So what I do is I just take another 3 pieces of seeds and I check if there's any in here growing, but if none, so I just replace it and put 3 seeds in here, and after a week I'll recheck this. After a week, this one's been growing for a week already. So then here, that one's growing. I checked here. See how powerful the seeds are. Seeds are life, and when it grows, then we get food from it. So God already provided everything for us. Yep. These are also the eggplant that I planted, so it started growing. And these are the cauliflowers, so they started growing. Some tomatoes here. So that's it. That's the update of my garden. And I have another garden on that side there too. The other side right there. Alright, that's it for today. God bless everybody, and try planting, and when you get lots of harvest, so it's very fulfilling and it's a happiness, and it provides food for you, for me, and for the family. Right, bye everybody. God bless. Just showing you my garden. That's the update. So they started growing. All right, grow your own food. God bless everybody. Peace to all of us. Bye for now.